A good way to understand meditation is to think about the development of a relationship. A meets B. Then by spending time together and sharing thoughts, they develop a relationship. In the next stage, they merge and form a deep relationship. Later, A and B become AB. Thus, you can control your mind by practicing prolonged time of meditation. Then the technique of commanding your mind and control it is called meditation. Hello friends, welcome to my channel ONS Yoga. And today in this video, I am gonna tell you something regarding meditation, which is the 7th stage of 8th limb of yoga. Until or unless you are not accustomed with the sitting posture, that is asana, whether it is sukhasana, it is siddhasana or it is padmasana, you are not able to control your mind. Meditation needs to sit for prolonged time. First start with 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Gradually, when you see that you can control your mind, you can increase it up to 1 hour. The main purpose of the meditation asana is to allow the practitioner to sit for extended periods of time without moving the body and without discomfort. Deep meditation requires the spinal cord should be straight and erect, and very few asana can satisfy this condition. Furthermore, in high stage of meditation, the practitioner loses control over the muscles of the body. The meditation asana therefore needs to hold the body in a steady position. You must be able to sit in one of the meditation asana for a full 3 hours at a stretch without the body shaking. I prefer Padmasana. If you are not able to do, then Sukhasana or Siddhasana you can do. According to my own opinion, if you want to do a successful meditation, then you must have to perform breathing exercise, that is pranayama first and then asana. Then you can go for meditation, because until or unless you are feeling your breath, you are controlling your breath, you are not able to do meditation. So I would like to suggest you all, please do pranayama first, please try to control your breath first, then go for meditation. There is one pranayama, and that is called the Pranab pranayama. It is the 8th pranayama according to Patanjali Yoga Sutra. And why I am telling about the Pranab pranayama before starting meditation? Because Pranab pranayama is called the first meditation, 2 or 3 minute meditation. To do meditation, to start doing meditation, you have to perform Pranab pranayama first. Inhale and exhale and feel the breath in Gyan Mudra. Inhale and exhale. During meditation, your breath will be normal, but try to feel the breath. Inhalation and exhalation should be smooth and clear. Try to feel how air moves in and out of your nose. Try to feel your lungs, how it expands with inhale and synchronize while exhale. Consistent meditation practice improves relaxation, reduce depression, increase autoimmune response, and help to counter stress and anxiety. Meditation can be a perfect antidote to the modern day lifestyle. In this stage, your mind becomes continuously focused on the chosen object. There is no interruption and no other thought comes to your mind. This thought will be so stronger that nothing can be disturbed it. What to do meditate on? According to Patanjali Yoga Sutra, meditation begins when you are able to withdraw the sense from the outside world. That is called pratyahara. Now, it depends on the particular who is doing meditation. You can imagine of God, the Almighty. If you are able to do meditation with eyes open, then focus any object. Lighting candle can be a good option for you. What is the best time to meditate? Early in the morning, before sunrise, or after sunset, or even any time if you are comfortable with. Better to choose a dark place and low noise area. How long to do? It's depend again on particular who is doing it. But let's try it from 2 minutes to 30 minutes. That's all about beginner's meditation. Hope this will work for you. I am Sammy, Yogi Sammy. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.